Building a strong lipid barrier is only half the battle. To truly achieve healthy, resilient skin, you need a protective shield against environmental damage. Enter vitamin B5 or Panthenol. It's the master of hydration, acting as a powerful humectant that draws water deep into your skin. But it's also a catalyst for healing, activating the cells that produce collagen and soothing inflammation. While B5 hydrates, vitamin E acts as the guardian of your lipid barrier. As a chain-breaking antioxidant, it neutralizes free radicals from UV rays and pollution before they can oxidize your skin's delicate lipids and degrade your collagen. The true magic happens when these two vitamins work together. Panthenol provides the raw materials to build a healthy barrier, while vitamin E steps in to protect those newly formed lipids. One builds the wall, and the other stands guard. Ready to fortify your skin's protective shield? Click the link in the description for the full guide on vitamins B5 and E. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed skincare.